Cool. Do it again. Cool. Whoa, good. Now back. More throttle. Come forward fast. Yes. Straighten up. Now hard left. Ooh. Straighten up. It just flexes too good. Go down again. Come a little over this way. All right, stop. Hard driver. Right there, that's good. Yeah. That's fully flexed out. So let me video this side, do that again, gently. So how would you like to get unstuck? Would you like to use air locker or crawl control or what?
I could use reverse.
No, that's cheating.
I could match out.
Very well. Good. Oh, that's outstanding. It's like George. Or John. What was the truck's name?
Oh, John.
Yeah, okay. Let's try a traction mode. So pick one. Any of them will get you out of the situation.
All right, we're going to do down AC.
Which is actually crawl control.
Okay.
Do speed 1. Make it the hardest on it. Are you in drive?
Okay.
All right, let your foot off the gas. Oh, it's off the ground.